I'll be showing you 5 tips and tricks for Excel that can make your work go a lot faster. The first one is going to be this tool up here. As you can see, if you click that little arrow, it actually highlights the entire worksheet for you. So then you could change the accounting very quickly to change the format very quickly to accounting, or highlight the whole sheet if you want. You can do whatever you want with that. The next one I'm going to show you is AutoSum. So let me just type a couple numbers here. So with AutoSum, instead of typing out the sum function manually, you can just click over here where it says AutoSum and then hit enter, and it does it automatically for you. The third thing I'm going to show you would be this double clicking to fit a cell size. So let's say for example, I won $2 million. Okay, so obviously that doesn't fit in cell C2. So what you can do is either drag it over manually, or to make it a little bit faster, you can just double click and it will automatically move the cell to the appropriate size. The fourth thing I'm going to show you would be this little arrow up here. This is the undo button. I know if you have a Mac, it would just be Command Z as kind of the universal, but if in Excel, you can just click undo and it will undo your previous action. The fifth thing I'm going to show you would be how to highlight quicker. So let's say I had a whole column of data here in F. So instead of scrolling down manually, what you can do is either click up at your top or bottom cell and then hold down shift and then click and let go of shift, and it'll highlight whatever was in that range. So those are my 5 tips and tricks for Excel. So hopefully that was helpful. Please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you for listening.